AI has completely changed how websites are built. You can generate FAQs, service pages, blogs, everything in minutes. It helps with structure, SEO, grammar, keywords, all with speed. And honestly, that's a good thing. But AI is great at assembling information, but it's not good when it comes to expressing intention. When everything on your website is AI generated, three problems show up. First, your website sounds very generic. Two, your website doesn't have any differentiation from other brands and your competitors. Third, your website doesn't sound confident and there is no emotional pull. If I have to explain it in simple words, website सही लगती है पर याद नहीं रहती है. And if people don't remember you, that means they don't trust you. Now let's talk solutions, clear, actionable ones. My tip number one for you is let AI write the first draft, but not the final copy. You can use AI for design, flow, structure, but when it comes to the intro and the ending, write it in your own words. Because intro is where the trust builds and closing is where the real action happens. And in दोनों ही जगह पर AI को control मत दो. My tip number 2 is add real world proof that AI cannot invent. AI can explain what you do, but only you can tell how it works in real life. So use your own case studies, client problems, learnings you've had along the way, and ये आपको differentiate करेगी बाकी चीजों से और आपके competitors से. Now let's come to the tip number 3, which is very important. Instead of using AI to write different sections of your website, first create a brand storyline and then give it to AI to fill in the gaps. Once you do that, all your sections will not be disconnected to each other and will not sound too formal and written by AI. My tip number 4, which is an extremely crucial one, is do not use too much of AI generated images on your website. I have seen it time and again that even people use AI generated images for their own products. If you really want that human connection and credibility, use real pictures, your own products, your own people. This would give you a big plus on your website and on the internet. At the same time, even Google will identify your website more if you use real images. Try these tips. I hope they help you out. In conclusion, I would just like to say that AI is very important to use because we want fast delivery in today's time. We want things to be generated fast, and AI can help us in a lot of ways when it comes to structure and layout. But at the same time, it's very important for you to be differentiated in the market, and it can only happen if your brand's voice is reflected on your website, which can only happen if you add your human touch and your own inputs on your website. If you need our help in that, please contact APT Brand Lab. See you in our next video.